Today we read from Matthew 28, 1 to 10. Now after Sabbath done, early Sunday morning, the first day of the week come. Mary Magdalene and the next Mary go look upon the tomb.
And all of a sudden, one wicked earthquake shake up the place.
Cause one of God's angel them come down from heaven and come roll with the stone and sit down upon it.
Him did look bright like a lightning, and him clothes did white like snow.
The guard them did so frightened, them are shaking at them bone.
Them drop a ground and tiff out like a them dead.
But the angel said to the woman them say, no afraid.
Me know say a Jesus who know I look for, the one where them kill upon the cross.
Him not there, cause God make him come back alive just like what him did say.
Come look which part him did a lay down. Then hurry up and go tell him follower them say him dead and come back alive.
Him a go a Galilee till you no come. Uno we see him there when uno reach.
Me tell you no when me did fi tell you no. Listen what me say and do what me say you no fi do.
The woman them take off quick. Them frightened and glad same time. And them run go tell Jesus follower them.
But Jesus meet them up and said to them, say, Heal.
Them come to him, bend on a ground, hold on upon him foot and worship him.
Then Jesus said to them say, no afraid.
Go and go tell my brother them say them can go to Galilee. Them we see me there.
Them we see me there.
Then we see me there.
Them we see me there.
Amen.
Matthew 28, 1 to 10.